Welcome, curious minds. Ever wondered about the world of insurance, its rich history, and its profound impact on our lives? Stay tuned as we embark on an enlightening journey into the realm of risk management and financial protection. Introduction. Insurance is not just a safety net. It's a shield against financial uncertainty. In this video, we'll delve into the fundamentals of insurance, its historical roots, characteristics, and its immense importance in our modern lives. What is insurance? At its core, insurance is a means of protection from financial loss. It involves an agreement between an insurer and an insured, where the insured pays a premium in exchange for the insurer's promise to compensate for covered losses. Let's explore the fascinating world of insurance principles and practices. History of insurance travel back to 1818. When the first Oriental Life Insurance Company marked the genesis of the insurance industry in India. Witness the evolution through Bombay Mutual Life Assurance Society in 1870 and the nationalization of life insurance in 1956. Characteristics of insurance understanding. Insurance involves recognizing its key characteristics. From the sharing of risk among policyholders to the cooperative nature of insurance plans, each characteristic plays a vital role. Importance of insurance. Unravel the crucial role insurance plays, providing safety, generating long-term financial resources, promoting economic growth, and offering support during medical emergencies. Explore how insurance serves as a pillar of financial stability. Principles of insurance. Insurance operates on fundamental principles: utmost good faith, insurance interest, integrity, contribution, subrogation, causes proxima, and mitigation of loss. Explore the ethical foundation of the insurance contract. Social effects of insurance. Beyond financial security, insurance has profound social effects, acting as a safety net that protects families from unforeseen events. Discover how insurance weaves into the fabric of our social structure. Insurance versus assurance. Differentiate between insurance and assurance, understanding their unique roles in risk management. Methods of insurance. Explore various methods. Reinsurance that keeps companies solvent and double insurance, where risks are covered by two independent